So it takes a few minutes to do that process. So we'll go through a couple different controls on the CNC lathe so we can see what powering up and powering down the machine looks like. So first thing that we're going to do, after we've already gone through our initial walkthrough and we've checked to make sure that we have air, we have electricity, then we have coolant, then we can go ahead and fire up our control. So we're going to press the power on button. Now, this screen is really important. When you come to this screen, you're going to see some information. And so at the bottom, you're going to see something maybe in red. Here it says servos are off. Here it may give you a high air pressure, low air pressure alarm. This is going to be the navigation for everything that we can control here. And yes, you can change the colors on it. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to hit reset. And you can see that that alarm goes away. Now, to power on our ST series lathes, you're going to simply hit power on. You're going to wait for the control to turn on. We're going to make sure that our doors are closed and there's nothing that was in the way of the control. As our machine fires up, you'll see the lights turn on, the control illuminate. You're going to follow the instructions on the screen. Servo turned off, press cancel to continue. You can press cancel. You can also hit reset. Reset turns all the servos on. Now you can hit power up. A power up is going to lead you to a new power up screen. And you're going to follow the instructions. And what you'll see is the turret rotate back to its home position or a gnome position. And then the axes will go home. And the tailstock will go home. And at that point, you're ready to go. Now powering down, same sequence. We want to make sure that everything's out of the way, and we can simply power off. And that's it.